All right, so I'm just going to put this as your stethoscope here. Okay, you want to feel it? I'm just going to put it under your shirt. Just real like that. There's your heart.
Dragon tails in the water is wild. Pirates sail and lost boys fly. Fish bite moonbeams every night, and I love you. Godspeed, little man. Sweet dreams, little man. Oh, my love will fly to you each night on angels' wings. Godspeed, sweet dreams.
Everybody is used to having photographs. We're used to these images we have of each other that are kind of, they're really the external parts of us. And when you know someone deeply, you can look at a photograph and think of the internal part of that person. But still, we know when we move in close to our loved ones that that's just the container.
Oh, my love will fly to you each night on angels' wings.
And what I hear from my patients is that people's voices and their heartbeat are the two things that bring the person back to them and close to them in a very deep and meaningful and alive way.
On the couch, good night moon will find the mouse, and I love you.
The heartbeat recording process usually starts when I have a patient and a family who I think might be interested. And if they're interested in moving forward, the first step is really just taking that nice electronic stethoscope and finding the place where I can hear the heartbeat the loudest. And I just record that onto a recording program, usually on my iPad or my computer. I can even do it on my phone. And we get a nice, clean recording of the heartbeat. I don't need to do that for very long. Really, if we have 4 good, clean heartbeats, that's enough. Then the process is about talking with a patient if it's appropriate, and or with the family, and deciding what song they would like to mix together with the person's heartbeat recording. It can be a song that we've written together. It can be a song that I write for the family. It can be a song that exists out in the world that's meaningful for them in some way. And then I get to figure out, together with my fellow music therapists perhaps, with my interns perhaps, depending on what the song is, how that would sound best in a recording. So is it a song that is going to be basic voice and guitar and heartbeat, and that's how it'll sound good? So we figure out, according to the song, how it's going to sound best. And then we take the 4 heartbeats that we found to be the cleanest and the clearest, and we loop those, and that becomes one of the tracks in the recording. You know, these songs don't bring them back, but they bring us a felt and heard sense of their presence, and it brings a part of them that was here with us, and mixes it together, hopefully with something lovely and something beautiful and something meaningful that has never been recorded like this before. Not every hospice offers this. Most hospices don't even offer music therapy. And then for Care Dimensions to be able to put resources behind these kinds of individualized projects for the patients they're right for really shows our dedication to what's best for the patients. And I'm really happy and proud to work at a place where there gets to be icing as well as cake. And I feel like sometimes we're the icing, and I love that. I love that. It's not required, it's not necessary, but wow, does it make a difference when it does.
Sweet.